Good morning. It's Sunday, and we're making cherry cola float ice cream. Because sometimes the only thing that's better than a float is to freeze it solid and swirl it with a little slice of heaven. Let's do this. Juicy cherry vanilla custard ice cream with swirls of thick spiced Mexican cola syrup. It's nostalgic, it's dramatic. It's the soda fountain float reimagined. Scoopable, swirled, and a little bit sultry. Alright, first up is the cherry compote. We're cooking down the cherries with a little bit of sugar and lemon juice to make them soft and syrupy. This is going to give the ice cream that punch of cherry flavor and add a little bit of color. Step 1, remove the pits. Try not to stain everything in sight. Cherries in the pot with a little bit of sugar and a splash of lemon juice. Set it on the stove and give it a good mix. We're simmering until it's soft and syrupy. Give it a quick blend, just enough to break it down. That's the sweet spot. Now we're going to make the custard. It's a classic egg yolk based ice cream that we're going to add that cherry compote directly into, so the whole base gets infused with cherry, vanilla, and a little almond extract to give it that soda shop vibe. Add in your heavy cream, your whole milk, your sugar, and each one of those egg yolks. Whisk it all together in one glorious silky base. Head to the stove for a low and slow cook. Then we strain it, because we're not here for surprise scrambled egg energy. In goes that rich cherry compote, mix it all together, then add a splash of vanilla, a whisper of almond extract, and a pinch of salt to make it pop. Give it a good stir, and off to chill. This next part is the cola syrup. I'm using Mexican Coke, reducing it down with sugar and spices until it's thick and sticky enough to swirl. It's basically the float part, but turned up a notch. Grab yourself a Mexican Coke and pour it in. Add sugar for thickness, lemon juice, cinnamon, and a whole spice berry if you're feeling bold. Quick stir, and then off to the stove for a slow simmer. Let it bubble down until syrupy and dark. Then take it off the heat and stir in your vanilla. That's it. Cool it down and get it ready to swirl through your ice cream. Now that the base is chilled and the syrup is ready, it's time to churn. Then we'll layer everything together before it goes to the freezer. Give your chilled base a quick stir and pour it into the machine. Say hi to Phyllis, who's doing what she does best, churning this cherry custard into soft serve magic. Once it's thick and creamy, out it comes. We layer the ice cream, cola syrup, more ice cream, more syrup, because subtlety is not the goal here. Lid goes on and off to the freezer. Then it's finally scoopable. Float fantasy achieved. Is it a float? Is it a sundae? Is it the best thing I made this week? Yes, yes, and probably yes. This cherry cola float ice cream is juicy, fizzy, rich, and swirled with soda fountain flair. It's giving retro cravings, childhood nostalgia, and full-grown dessert energy all in one scoop. Top it with whipped cream and a cherry if you're feeling cute, or pour some Coke on top and let that float fantasy live its best life. Either way, I'll see you next Sunday.